What's up? This is Dalek Brathwaite. I'm reporting live from Chicago, Illinois. We here at the Speak Green event. It's about to go down. It's part of this Brave New Voices Festival. This is like my fourth Brave New Voices in 5 years. I've been here as a kid, busting, participating in the event, and now I'm here as one of the elders, trying to guide the youngins, and give them direction. So it's been a great experience. I'm just hosting a couple events. It's a beautiful thing when all these kids come together and share their ideas and they doing their thing. It's really powerful. So I'm just glad to be a part of the event. Glad to know it.
How's it feel to be in Chicago?
Chicago, man, everything's going down in Chicago now. I just feel like I'm in the center of the world. You got my favorite rappers, you got my favorite president, It's just like, it's here. It's here to be. And speaking of being here, I just shout out, Hear Us Now, I actually want to promote for a project of mine that's coming out. It's part of this group called The Illiteracy that I'm part of. We've been touring the country for 5 years now, and now we moving on to music and hip hop, coming out with this album called I Before the One, and your organization's called Hear Us Now, so we actually got this song called Here Now, So I just wanted to bust a verse from that one time, one time. So here we go, check it out. It's like, I was thinking I was gonna be good when the economy good, when the money started coming like it should. What? All I ever needed was an inch. When I finally got an inch, I was gonna need a foot. And them feet need sneakers, Jordans, jeans, and a matching t-shirt. Get a foot, need a mile, but don't wanna walk a mile, and my shoes need a car and some speakers. A garage and a driveway to keep it, and a lawn on the side, the greenest. Nice neighbors put the hedges between us, cause last time I seen their grass looked greener. What at the moment am I needing to make me feel whole and completed? My soul so ridden with potholes, trying to fill the empty void up, pouring cement. Hey baby, what's your goal or your reason? To live life, give it tangible meaning. Is it to fix a hole in the ceiling, or maybe just score a goal this season? It'd be better when the kids grow up, or the IRS building blow up, and just Sunday, start your Monday. Think about Friday when you get toe up, or when your luck changed, but that won't change the way you wait for one day. But one day, someday, gotta be today, and today the only one day it could be. Moral of the story, I could say, but I'm here now, yeah, you should stay. Yeah, I'm here now, yeah, you should stay. Yeah, they here now, yeah, you should stay, cause I need something that's realer. They might as well just kill you if you ain't living right now. Yeah, I need something to focus me on the present moment. Fuck the who, what, when, where, why, how.